Wheels and tires today. At the end of the day, the car should be a roller.
That's the plan. I mean, we got the final pieces here, so now we just got to do a few more things here and we should be ready to go.
First thing we're going to do, we're going to swap out the wheel hardware to titanium on the wheel center and the bead lock.
Yeah, lighten up, get some rotating weight out of it too.
All right, there's a lot of them. Let's get started.
Here you go.
Alex, you're doing a good job.
Thanks.
I don't know if anybody has told you that today. Valve stems.
Valve stems, we have them.
It'd be hard to do once the tire's on.
We can't just drill a hole in the tire. And do we want to put the springs on for the Zeus buttons before we put the tires on too?
We'll do the valve stem and the rear tires and then the front ones, and then we'll do the springs.
Okay. How do you tune the car with stagger?
The amount of stagger helps you around the corner. So if the track's small and it has tight corners, the more stagger you use. Bigger tracks with longer, like wider sweeping corners, you use less stagger to keep the car straighter.
So do you have different sets of mounted wheels and tires in your trailer for different tracks?
Like I got 4 different left rears that are mounted and they're all different sizes. So depending on the track conditions and like how slick it gets, I'll change my stagger to like tighten the car up. All right, I think we're ready to mount some tires.
What do you torque these to?
The same as the wheel center. I have always gone to 25.
Oh yeah, that goes on a lot better. Careful, I'm coming this way. At least I told you. Appreciate the warning.
Okay, so how far is too far here?
It'll pop.
All right, I think it's sealed. Didn't make a pop. I think it's because it's WD-40.
Probably. So we usually leave them sit for a while and then let them back down.
Left front is offset outer in.
It'd be the shallower of the offset. It'd be farther out. And some people run different offset right fronts to change the handling of the car a little bit.
And so you can change your stack up of washers and change the stagger too with the same set of wheels?
You can change your spacing. And it's simple because if you want to move your wheel out a 1/2 inch, you take the 1/2 inch and put it on the outside.
All right, are we about ready to put it on the ground?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that. I kind of want to keep it now. I wonder if we can arrange that. Thank you guys. I feel like this is a kind of a big moment, right?
It's always feel good kind of moment when you put a race car on the ground.
Like, look what I built.
Yeah.
So now we have to do the wing, get it wrapped, put our dummy motor in.
Nerf bars.
And you're pretty close to a race car.